All right, hello everybody. Welcome. I'm starting right on time today, and it's a funny thing because one of my lights went off. As you can see, my face is darker on this side than it is on this side. So my lights over here are working just fine. My lights over here, they're not working so well. I haven't figured that out yet. I'm probably gonna have to replace the bulbs. I'm hoping that's all it is. Okay, so here we are. We're going to be doing part two of building your lead capture page with your lead magnets. So this is pretty important. So we're just going to get right into it because it's pretty big, and I didn't prep a lot in the beginning because I really want you guys to see how simple the process is. See, it takes me longer to figure out what I want to type than it really does to put the different components of the page together, because the components are basically already pre-programmed. All I have to do is click it, position it, and then replace the content with whatever I want to, or keep the content. So like, let's say it's a model. It's a model and they're pointing at something. You can either replace it with your picture or keep the model. It's up to you. However, your picture, a picture of you personally, will do a lot better. You'll get much better results. So, this is beautiful. My webcam went out. It was all black. It seemed like it was working, but the screen was black. It wasn't putting anything out there at all. So that was pretty scary for me because I don't have a secondary. Although I do believe there is a way to hook up my iPhone to my Mac Mini. I just have never done it before. Oh no, I clicked on the wrong thing. Oh, that is frustrating. All right, so this is what we're going to do today. Drive, here we go. So today, okay, so remember when I was looking for a way to put my file where it needed to be, I noticed that they have something called hosting service. It's a upgraded thing only. The cool thing about LeadsLeap, I know I talk a lot about LeadsLeap. It's because I've worked with a lot of platforms, and LeadsLeap is very complete. It really is. Aside from having a blog, it's almost everything you need. And there are a lot of programs out there that cost hundreds of dollars a month. And guess what? They have no autoresponder. You got to use a separate service like MailChimp or Aweber. Here, they have what's called SendSteed, and it's completely integrated into the system and included in the price. One price covers it all. And if you can't afford the $20 to $28 price a month, please get with me so that I can show you how to resell on the various platforms on the internet. You can take stuff you have at home, use stuff in pretty good working condition, and post it online and sell it and put money in your pocket. So I was pretty fortunate. I had a bunch of stuff to sell, and my first couple of $100 was made from stuff around my house. Then I started to ramp up. It was really cool. That's for another video. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I have everything up, and we're going to share the screen because my half and half face is annoying me. It must be annoying you too. Screen one, screen two, screen one. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right, so for those of you that are upgraded or planning on upgrading, now here's the thing. Even though you're not, like, I didn't bring you on board, so when you upgrade, I'm not going to get the commission. But I encourage you to upgrade because the benefits, the features are so worth the 20-something bucks a month, depending on what you do, how you get in. If I was you, if you don't want to pay $28 a month, if I was you, you might want to go ahead and contact support and ask them, say, hey, I really want to upgrade. could I get that $19.99 price back? I've done that with more than one program on more than one, and they really want to get you as a customer. So if all it takes to get you as a customer is that special deal, they'll throw it back at you. So that's pretty awesome. Now, so I'm going to show you how to build a thank you page first, and then first we're going to do it with the hosting service, and then we're going to do it using Google Drive. For those of you who are on the free plan, you can use Google Drive, which is completely free. You just, if you don't already have a Gmail account, you get a Gmail account. And this is all Google, so it's not like I'm recommending some weird company you've never heard of before. You get a Gmail account. The Gmail account comes with a host of apps. One of them is Google Drive. And I will take you through it in detail and show you how to do it, show you where to put everything. But first, let's make the thank you page, okay? Let's go ahead and do that. It's super important. And then next week, I'll show you guys how to embed video into these pages, because personally, I feel that video is very, very, very powerful, okay? And if you've been attending the Friday book club, we're doing .com Secrets by Russell Brunson. Ooh, there's a reason why he's wealthy. It really is. Because the more I read that book, the crazier I get. All right. So page builder, we're going to hit page manager. All right. Now see here where we have our thank you page, we labeled everything. So we can just come back here and start working in it. So the first thing I'm going to do, even though it's prompting you to activate the page, we're not going to do that yet because we're not ready. I'm going to go ahead and launch editor. Oh, you know what? I never checked to see how the broadcast was. Just give me just a quick second here. Quick second. So that I can make sure we're actually, streaming on the various platforms we're supposed to stream on. And I'm not sitting here talking to myself like a crazy person. Although most geniuses do talk to themselves, so you take that into consideration. Oh, cool. All right, that's good enough. Okay, back to this. So thank you. I'm going to replace her picture with my picture. So I click on the picture, then I come here, image URL, and I click in the gallery. I go to my gallery, and I click on my picture. Boom, there it is. Not bad. All right, like that. Thank you. Okay, I clicked here, but I'm not going to double click and try to change it here. I'm going to come in here and double click here and change it here. So there we go. Maybe center it on the picture. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay, now this is pretty cool. So I'm going to click on this first sentence right here. And I'm going to say bonus number 1. 2 spaces after that, and okay. So now we're going to put, you know what, I should make that, click here for bonus, whoops, for bonus number 1. Oh, see that? I'm so clumsy. Yeah, change that to here and then get rid of that. And just put a regular H. Click here for, okay. There we go. Click here for bonus 1. Yeah. I'm going to copy that, but I'm going to copy it. There we go. Control copy, put that here. Control V, put the number 2 there. So as you can see, all I'm basically doing is copying and pasting and then putting the numbers. Oh, I screwed that up. And just type it in the numbers. I should have centered it as I went because I think it just looks better, especially since everything's a single line. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn each one into a hyperlink. But first we need to go and we need to get our links. Okay, so to do, first I'm going to hit save. Before you do anything, you always want to hit save. And then I'm going to duplicate this. So it brings this up here. And, oh wait, I didn't need to duplicate. Ha, I'm so stupid. Don't, just forget that. Just go back to your Page Manager tab and go down on your left-hand side where it says Hosting Service and then PDF Manager. Okay. Here are my PDFs. So basically, to add your PDFs, I would recommend putting them on your desktop, clicking Add a New PDF, and just dragging them into this box. Or you could hit click to upload and then look around your files to find it that way. Okay? There we go. So what I'm going to do is 5 reasons why having a blog can help you make more money. Get that link. All right. I click and then I hit on a Mac Command A to get all of it, and on Windows it's Windows key A. And I'm just gonna copy that, go over to Page Builder, click on the little link element. Really? Oh, that is just infuriating. It's an element, it's not. Okay, so I'm clicking here, I'm taking all of that, Command, copy, and then I'm going to delete that whole thing by clicking on that trash can. And put it, so this is for the link URL, and this is for the text editor. So I'm going to put that right in there. I'm going to drag out the box so it's all on one line. Now, as you can see, this is kind of hard to see. So I'm definitely changing the color back to white. And what is that style? I've already chosen. Okay. Oh, caveat or caveat, however you want to say it. CA, and you just click through. There it is. Ooh, maybe the brush. I like that better. Okay. Let's cover that. Yeah, it wasn't what I thought it was, so let's. It doesn't look like this one. This is Caveat 33, 1.2 line height. Caveat, I can make it bigger, but it's not gonna. Yeah, see, 33, 1.2 white. Maybe they made it italic. Still not right, but it's all right. Forget about it. So it's good enough for right now. Because basically we just want our people to go ahead and. I'm not going to do that. Okay. And then I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to get the link there. Now I already had it, but I blew it. I lost it when I went and copied that other item. I'm just going to put it right there and then save, work save, and then there we have it. Pretty interesting. Now we're going to do that for the same thing for bonus number 2, except I'm going to come here and delete this right away. Then I'm going to come here and try something. Aha! I'm going to duplicate. See those 2 little pages right there? That means duplicate. And it went ahead and duplicated it, but I'm going to have to make some changes. I'm going to change this to bonus number 2, and then I'm going to change the link. I'm going to get the one for the 4 hot Pinterest tips. Control Alt, copy, close, and put it right in here. Bam. Command B. Okay, gonna hit save again because I'm a paranoid saver. Work is saved. So same thing here. Gonna delete it, hit in the trash can, and then I'm gonna copy this element, drag that down a little bit. There we go. All right, number 3, and we're going to have to change this. Now for this, I want my private Facebook group involved because that's the third bonus. That's the third bonus. So social, should have already had it open. I apologize. Where am I? Oh, the group. See all groups. Okay, here we go. And what I'm going to do is they're going to come here, and I'm just going to come here and grab this link, copy, and put it right in here. There we go. And save. And OK. Now wait, I have a special offer for you. This is genius. They wrote it for you. Okay. This is another reason why I seriously like LeadsLeap. It's a marketing platform that was designed by marketers. That's genius. And you're like, well, huh? No, just there are other platforms out there. They're not designed by marketers. They're designed by, corporate people, programmers, project managers, things of that nature. They team up, they make these platforms, pump them out. But then when it comes to, like actual common sense marketing, they leave out something crucial like a darn autoresponder. The only exception to that is ClickFunnels with Russell Brunson's ClickFunnels, to be exact. He started out as a marketer and had people build his platform. And I haven't looked at it in about 4 years. So, he could have changed a lot. He could have integrated a autoresponder and stuff like that. However, rather than pay him $200 a month, I'm giving LeadsLeap $20 a month. So, and you can say there's, a lot of features and this and that and stuff that LeadsLeap doesn't have. But again, it's 10 times cheaper. So, and for those of you who are still on the free plan because you have to be frugal, I understand what you're going through. Because I was there before. We're joining anything, even if it was a small amount monthly, was like, where am I going to get that money from? And then I found out how to take something and sell it on a platform. It's awesome. It's really cool. All right, so this special offer here, this area, this is what we can do if we're going to send them somewhere else. So I am right now What's that word I'm saying? Right now, I'm in the position where I am absolutely representing about 8 different products and services. Now, keep in mind, I use them all in my business every day. Okay. But at the same time, I want to pick something that will appeal to the largest audience. So maybe because of it, we'll put something in it. So what you're going to do is either you have something else, you have another sales page that you can send them to. That's your sales page. Or you have a group, you have a product, a company, or service that you are representing, affiliating with. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is the affiliation part. So the affiliation part. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and sell Russell's book. Okay. So let's see. Russell. There we go. .com. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to say okay. So whenever you want to add something to this that's not here, these are your add new elements up here. It is a pretty complete list, and anything that is lacking here, you can just put in your own custom code if you are able, if you know how. Okay, I do that a lot because sometimes it's just easier than trying to do it the simple way. Um, it's pretty funny because when was it? 2011? Was it 2011, 2012? Somewhere towards the beginning of 2012, I had a stroke and it devastated me. I'm lucky to be here talking to you right now today. Very, very lucky. I lost some abilities. I lost some coordination. I shake now like a chihuahua for no apparent reason. And the reason why I'm telling you this is so you can get a handle on how simple and easy all of this stuff really is. And we're just overcomplicating it. But I had to reteach myself HTML. I had to reteach it to myself. Very frustrating when you see projects that you've done that are amazing and you have no idea how you did it. It kind of sucked. So anyway, so here we're going to add a button element. It always puts it there. I'm going to put this down here a little bit, right here. You have to excuse me. There's, I don't know if you guys can see it. Grab this real quick. .com secrets. Copy. So this. Oh, you guys do see that little button down there too. Okay. I need to give myself some more room, so I'm going to try to move my action bar. There we go. That moved nicely. I'm going to double click this. Ah, it put that element more in the way than it was before. So I'm going to click on it, which activates it. Then I'm going to use my arrows to move it to where I want to go. That's about right there. Okay, cool. Get it now. I have no problem with that. Oh, the link on button, submit. No, there's no opt-in form. Go to a website. And that's what we're going to do. And that gives us that. And I click in there and I put my, boop, there you go. I put my stuff in there and we are done. Oh, nope, hit save. Gotta hit the save button. Okay, now at this point, before we do anything, what we want to do is go ahead and make sure that all of our links work and they go to what they're supposed to go to. Super important. So again, I'm going to hit save because I'm a paranoid freak. I'm going to close this. I'm going to hit manager. Page manager. There we go. I'm going to activate it before the machine has a stroke. Alright. That should work out. Now, I'm going to grab one of these links here. Control copy. And then let's see how it looks. All right, that looks pretty good. Okay, looks pretty good. So click here for bonus one. Nice. There's bonus one. Okay. Go back. Bonus two. There's bonus two. And bonus three. All right. Takes us straight here. And then the little blue button takes us directly to .com secret sales page. That's pretty cool. All the testimonials. You know, I love representing this book because it basically sells itself. It sells itself. And he's trying hard. He's giving you all of this value for free. Free. All you got to do is pay the shipping, which is pretty cool. Pretty amazing. Reserve my copy now. $9.95 for shipping and handling in the U.S. or $19.95 international. I got to tell you something. This book is worth way more than the $9.95 in shipping handling. The retail value is $24.95 on that. Then the 3 Core Funnels ebook. 3 Core Funnels ebook. I don't know. I'm afraid to say what this is because I don't know for sure. 108 Split Test ebook. Network Marketing Secrets ebook. Funnel Audibles. And 30-day .com Secrets Challenge. This is for real. This 30-day .com Secrets Challenge, number one, that's no joke. It's 30 days, and it's pretty intense. He really does sell it for $100. Okay, I know this because I took the challenge, and it was a grueling, like a hard 30 days. Because I had my regular business stuff. I didn't have the foresight for those 30 days to lessen my load so I could get the most out of it. I was falling behind. It was kind of crazy. But anyway, so it looks like it goes everywhere. Well, that's cool. It's got the drop down when you're leaving and stuff like that. If you try to buy this book brand new on any of these, maybe not the ebook. I don't know how much the ebook's going for, but Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Hudson booksellers, you will pay more than $9.95 for this book. Okay. And we're going back to the thank you page. All right. So our thank you page is complete now. How are we going to do this? We want them to click on the thank you page after they confirm. So all the conversion tracking. We built the thank you page. So now we're going to go over to the funnel part of it. Because just building the thank you page here, unless you take this and put it in, you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is you want to take this, right? Copy that, say close, and then go over to List Manager, go to the gear wheel, scroll up, and okay. You see this part here where it says redirector verification? I put my main website in there, just branding myself, because I didn't have the thank you page yet. Well, now that I have the thank you page, I'm going to put it there. And then I'm going to go down here and save it. Save and activate. The list is now activated. The changes have been saved so that when page manager, long-term residual income, blah, 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 blah. What I'm going to do is grab, okay, I'm going to grab this link, copy, put this here, boop. All right. So I'm going to put my name in here, and I'm going to use my Gmail account to test this out. All right. So immediately after I signed up, it took me to this, my newest and most favorite opportunity right now. It's going to change my life and the life of anyone else who gets involved in it. This is the first company I've ever been involved with where they're teaching their managers to get their business owners up to management, get them promoted, do whatever you got to do, help them get to manager. And I think it's amazing. And my upline is doing everything they can. And, they help in a huge way. I don't know. I'm going to have to check with the legal department because there's a lot of things we can't say about this because it is a financial company. It's a financial service. And there's a lot of things to do with compliance. The Federal Trade Commission and the banking regulations and all that stuff. So there's things that we can say and things that we can't say. But what I can say is this opportunity is changing my life, and I'd love to see it change yours too. But that's neither here nor there. Okay. I also love this part where they tell you who your referred member is, because if your best friend Ken refers you to this, you want Ken to get the credit for your sign up. So just keep that in mind. Okay, and I'm gonna. Oh, look! It recorded the traffic. That was all me right there. That's stupid. Okay, let's hop on over to Gmail, and action needed: verify your email, and thank you so much for confirming your subscription. So let me hit that back arrow. Okay, so please verify your email address. I'm going to click that. Verified. Redirecting in 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. redirected them to a thank you page where I could collect my bonuses and go to the, so that they can get this special offer. And that's it. That's it. That is it. That's how you do that. That is seriously how you do that. Now, this is a supplemental class because I couldn't fit it all in yesterday's class. You guys probably saw me choke when I was like, all right. Oh, I almost forgot the Google Drive part. Okay, so Google Drive. This is only going to take like 5 minutes. The hardest part is everything we just did because I just showed you how to do it. So I'm going to go into subscriber bonus, and this is where my stuff is, right? So I'm going to take this guy here, and I'm going to copy that link. That's for the 5 reasons. And it doesn't matter just as long as you don't copy the same one twice. And I'm going to go into the thank you page, and we're going to launch the editor and click on bonus 1 and just replace that link. Oh, crap, I copied it. Where did I? Here we go. Try this again. Copy link. Paste it here. Say save. Okie dokie. Then I'm clicking here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to get this one and copy the link to that one. And I'm going to put it in here. There we go. So it's pasted in there. Hit save. Now the third one is this is the Facebook group. So we don't actually have to change that one. We just needed this one and that one. I hit save again just because I'm a freak. I'm going to hit save a lot. All right. Come here and I'm going to hit the refresh key. Just because because watch, you'll see it. Watch. Click here for bonus 1. And boom. See how it says open with Google Docs? There you go. And they should be able to go ahead and just download it with that download key there. So we'll hit the back button and click for bonus number 2. And there we go. And we'll hit the back button. Oh, by the way, if you all want, if you think it's worth it, you can, sorry y'all, let me just take a second. I'm trying to close this out real quick. I'm thinking about doing a class for teaching everyone how to come up with their own bonuses. And it's very important. It's best that you try to come up with your own bonuses because a lot of these people are looking at a lot of advertisements. They're signing up for a lot of stuff. They're looking at a lot of bonuses. And, if they find duplicate bonuses from people, they might be like, oh, what is this? Ooh, did I just get involved in something weird or illegal or whatever? And even though it's all on the up and up, they have all these wild things going through their head. So it's best to make them original. And one of my markers is they're looking at this, they're looking at this. Use the Pinterest keyword. Here's a link for the Pinterest keyword. And it has some other interesting things to improve someone's Pinterest. And then follow me and I will follow you on Pinterest, right? And then click here for my Pinterest. They click on it and it takes them to my Pinterest. They know if they follow me, I will follow them back. So you can actually use your bonuses to create more engagement. Super important. More engagement. Some people even use their bonuses for sales. I haven't done it yet. Not that I'm opposed to it, but it's just I just haven't done it yet. But guaranteed, I'm probably going to do it in the future. And this offer here, I'm probably going to add a couple of more bonuses to it, since I have some Sorry, guys. I was thinking of something to help them with their pins. Maybe some like Canva maybe some Canva templates and stuff like that. But that's neither here nor there. So I showed you how to do it that way. I showed you how to activate it and everything else. Oh, holy crap. I haven't even looked at anything. I haven't looked at the chat or nothing. That's kind of irresponsible on my part. Sorry, everyone. All right, cool. No, we are in the clear. We're looking good. Okay, thank you so much for showing up. I really appreciate that. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Be back in about 20 minutes, and we're going over the attractive character in .com secrets, or I should say in Russell Brunson's .com secrets. All right, there you go. Thank you so much. Have a great night, and I hope you all are very, very, very profitable. Thank you. And again, reach out with any questions.